एक प्रॉन्स निकाल के थोड़ा पानी में डाल दे, उसका आइस आइस हटा दे.
We're just taking tomatoes, small onions, garlic,
Yeah, basil, capsicum.
basil and capsicum.
This is what you would call a brunoise. That's a technical term, French technical term to that.
For the chopped
For these
tomatoes.
tomatoes, for this style of cutting that you're calling it. हाँ एक पीस बस. और कुछ साफ नहीं करियो, just पानी में डाल दे.
So the sourdough breads have started, you started baking them or yet to start baking them?
No, it's putting it in the oven. It's proving now.
These guys had started your French door.
Yeah, I saw the.
So
saw the
we've
breads.
been picking up our sourdough breads from there last 2-3 weeks.
How's it?
Very good.
Yeah, she does well. She does.
Yeah, I don't know how yours. Today we got some bagel and few more
She's
things.
doing bagels, eh?
Yeah. A lot of things she started.
She's also fighting to stay. तो ये मेरे को थोड़ा पेपर चाहिए, ब्लैक पेपर.
Black pepper, chili flakes, salt, garlic French chop one is the best one.
No, not really, not really.
What do you call this item anyway?
They used to just call it prawns in olive oil.
Okay.
They used to in fact get it from the market.
Which one?
Put it as is. जो prawns है,
Okay.
they used to make me take them to the market,
Okay.
and they would just buy the prawns.
And as is.
Yeah.
Wash it and
Wash it and put it.
cook it. वो उर्ली एकदम सही मिल गया. Otherwise, online we were seeing 8,000, 12,000, 7,000.
But you took it from Chandran Street.
Yeah. He gave it to me for 1,290.
So you drove up to that place, huh?
I sent the driver. No? He took 2 hours to come back, 2.5 hours to come back.
Bloody far place it is. तो कोचिन वाले से मैंने सब क्लैम्स वैम्स सब बोल के रेडी करके रखा था. Just couldn't get the vehicle.
अच्छा. But in one of the recipes in paella, they put sausages also.
Yeah, they put chicken as well.
They put chicken, they put sausages, and they put all the seafood.
See, chicken is a very neutral item. Why they add chicken is it because it gives that तो क्या बोलते हैं वो एक उसका जो gelatin है it really ups the flavor. It's got that umami flavor. The chicken bones
Okay.
has got that umami flavor that actually makes it really nice. Which is why they add a lot of chicken. Even for example, the brown sauces that they make.
The brown sauces mane?
Brown sauce बनाते हैं.
Who?
In kitchens here we make brown sauces.
Okay.
So it's called as one of the technically it's one of the mother sauces.
हाँ.
White sauce है, brown sauce है, tomato sauce है.
Brown sauces that will include your garlic sauce and
नहीं.
no. Okay. Then I've what
The
do you
pepper
use?
sauce that is there, no, that they
Yeah.
serve with the steaks.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's called a brown sauce.
Okay.
So generally you go abroad, they would generally make it with beef. When they make it with beef bones also, they add chicken to it.
Chicken to it.
They roast it with the chicken bones. Basically because the gluten, that protein content, the gelatinous content that is there in it, it really acts well.
You grow this here?
No,
No?
I've been fighting for a organic garden. Basically, hydroponic garden is what I've been fighting for.
You have a lot of space up on the roof or wherever.
That's exactly what I've been telling them. अभी तक माने नहीं। भाई, छेद तो नहीं है इसमें?
नहीं बस में
मेरे को टॉन्ग पड़ो ना कोई समय।
हाँ नमक करिए
हाँ, वो
पिछड़ा ना सर
नहीं यही दे दे। तेल रहेगा पूरा।
So in this much of olive oil, you cook 8 pieces, 20 pieces, 15 pieces, doesn't matter. वही है ना?
That's why you want to use olive oil. You don't want to use. Even coconut oil is good for this.
Okay.
If you like, if
So
you-
then why don't we use all the 15 pieces?
That's it.
I'm ready.
I think I did not take it out because in case you don't have.
No, they
you
all
want to
have
eat
good appetite. They all have good appetite. If you want, I can clean them, or if you want, somebody will clean first.
I'll keep one with the shell.
Yeah.
शेल के साथ जो रखा है ना, वो एक रख दे, बाकी भी साफ कर दे.
All that is good enough.
कुछ नहीं रख सकते. मुझे रखे हो.
अब ये लोग सब डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट सब खा रहे हैं, Then why lose the eyes
Yeah.
or the legs
Our best.
or the antenna? No problem. huh?
इसके लिए आपको kosher salt मिलेगा बहुत अच्छा।
Kosher salt.
Kosher salt.
What is that supposed to be?
It's like rock salt.
Okay.
That really gives a better flavor.
Reason being?
It is mineral salt. The salt that's found in the rocks. So it's got more mineral content to it.
Okay. It's available easily.
I don't know if it's available in Coimbatore, but तू क्या पढ़ा देगा नहीं
You sure we don't need any more garlic and all that? Good enough?
Let me do it like this. If you feel the necessity of more garlic, don't hesitate to add.
Oh, of course. Yeah.
A spoon put on it. There are a couple of things in this I'd like to add. I would like to add parsley. How about? There are a couple of things that are not added to this. Yeah. Parsley milega, so definitely parsley you need to add.
Okay.
Yeah. Parsley is a very good flavoring item again. Your management of the fire is extremely important. Yeah.
Okay.
Shouldn't overheat.
Okay. Chili flakes, pepper.
Chili flakes and pepper I've added.
This shouldn't overheat because the garlic will burn.
You want it to poach.
Okay.
You don't want it to fry.
Okay. This is fennel.
And then chili flakes and salt.
Anything other than the parsley?
No, parsley I feel is the most important. Yeah. Add only vegetables that will bring flavor to it. For example, you could add celery to it. You could add spring onions to it. Yeah. And then you think olives and capers. Black irka. Really want to Do you have anybody in Cochin?
For?
I mean, somebody who's related to you.
So you can add everything. You can add parsley. You can add
Spring
your
onions,
spring
you can
onions,
add
celery.
you can add leeks,
Ah,
you can add dill.
everything together.
Yeah, exactly like this.
So many ingredients will not mess it up a little.
No,
No,
it will only add to the flavor.
will only add to the flavor. Everything in small proportions.
Small proportions. Put a one spoon ಅಡಿಗೆ ಚಿನ್ನ ಚಿನ್ನ ಟೀ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಇಡ್ತಪ್ಪ ಚಿನ್ನ ಕಪ್ ಇಡಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್
What was the name of that salt you were saying?
kosher salt.
Kosher salt. Fennel seeds, pepper, chili flakes, olives, capers, spring onions, celery, leeks, dill. I can taste mostly only the olive oil, subdued a little with some flavor of olive. The fresh olive that you put.
Super. Okay.
There is-
Salt is okay?
Salt is okay.
Do you think you need a little bit more salt?
Wouldn't make any difference. So let it be. If they want to add, they can add on top later if
Just
at
add a
all.
little bit more salt. அந்த ப்ரான்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கங்க
Throw in some more garlic if possible.
थोड़ा garlic देंगे
6-7 cloves at least.
एक 6-7 उठाना बेटा काट के दे मेरे को थोड़ा प्लेट देंगे எவ்வளோ கட் பண்ணுவீங்க
How would you do a dressing on that?
You have dressing. आपको dressing का जरूरत नहीं पड़ती.
You don't need.
So just you have a lot of dressing here. Go. You want it's curling up like this. You want
Understood.
this curl up.
I got
आपने
what you said.
flat कर दिया तो आपको एक
I
curl up नहीं
understood
मिलेगा.
that part there. same preparation you can even do a lobster maybe. You've tried it?
Oh
or-
yes. No, lobster I have not tried.
Okay.
But lobster will need even more slow fire
Hmm.
and need a longer
Okay.
time.
Longer time.
So lobster, what we have done is we generally do this, keep it in, soak it in butter, and then keep it under our hot counter for
Okay.
like an hour, hour and a half.
Hmm.
We cook it in that.
So the more of olives, capers, all that you throw in, and the more of the whatever you throw in is better.
It's better.
It will not confuse the palate. It will just add flavor.
The prawns is going to soak in all that. It's going to be complementary to the prawn.
Okay.
Have you ever tried that?
And now you have a little more flavor here and there.
Yeah.
That's good. In the leaves you said dill,
Dill, celery,
celery, spring onions. Anything else on the vegetables?
anything that will be complementary to the flavor. For example, you want to throw in a little bit of lime leaves, Kashmir lime leaves. That goes super well with this.
I am not familiar with that product.
नींबू का
Leaf. हाँ.
अगर आपके घर पे नींबू का झाड़ है
Hmm.
तो उसके 2-3 पत्ते निकाल के डाल दीजिए.
हाँ.
लेमन ग्रास के पत्ते डाल दीजिए.
Okay.
That will all act complementary to this entire thing.
Hmm. So you can even poach it for a longer period instead of 7 to 10 minutes.
You really don't need,
No, it doesn't help.
not really.
Hmm.
So we're going to make it harder. You want to try this?
I want to try that.